Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Ellen and in this video I'm going to be making an apple pecan breakfast bake. Starting off, I'm going to be chopping up one apple into bite-sized pieces as well as chopping up some pecans. First off, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And here I'm just combining my dry ingredients, which include 2 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, half of the pecans we chopped, and as well as half of the apple. Here I'm just greasing the 9x9 glass baking dish and pouring in the dry mixture that we just put together. And here I'm starting to combine the wet mixture, which is 1/3 cup maple syrup, 1 2/3 cup almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. What we'll want to do next is pour our wet ingredients into the oatmeal mixture that we put in the 9x9 baking dish to prepare it for the oven. This is a before shot of the breakfast bake before it goes into the oven. I ended up cooking this for about 35 minutes and I think it came out great. I ended up putting in a little bit of extra almond milk by accident because I kind of wanted to finish what I had in that carton. So it was a little more liquidy than I think the recipe called for, but it was really good. I took it to work for breakfast for the next week. I think I made this on a Sunday, and it was it was really nice. I really enjoyed how this turned out, and I will definitely be making it again. Thank you for watching.